Morning guys. Good morning guys. Och katoriga pusun vessen. Katuat med på kränget. Ser det ut där? Ja. It's like smoky. Anyways guys, we are about to go run some errands. You get it? Så börjar jag synd nu. I'm so tired. It's only 8 in the morning. I slept at 2 this morning and now I'm back on the road like a gangster. Och katter som är fest smoky. You see? It's very smoky and rainy. Ukara pa kukuraya sakko. Ukara sakura rokajito. Iwika parorkar ni vet. It's scary nowadays, I'm telling you. Scary this earth. This earth is very scary and crazy. It's better to stay home, bruh. Better to stay home. Whoa, nawa kasi ako speedo. Ibero rin paso. Nawa wala rin si Bon Milron kaya si Brian. Yeah, I'm tired, bruh. Yeah, que por eso aquí va a 58. Gotta get so far, I can back to mom. Yesterday, I'm not in the mood. I am not in the mood of talking stories, telling you where I'll be going and... Ito. Usuri tayo sa karne. Itayari po ito. Oh, it's open. It's open? Or it's not open? I am at the post office because I'm sending away all my waiters on my reason to why did Brett? Look at my mask. Selfie. Kapamire kay lipstick po. Sisireya kaparorireya say doing lipstick. Okay, I'll be back. Ta-da! I'm back. Look, everyone sits already. This was supposed to be for dinner. Nice. Yes, I know. I keep bananas in my purse. And what, bruh? That's food. Are you really close? For real? Now we're back to post office. Sorry, it's open? They're all closed? Oh, okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. So that means I cannot send all my reaction away to somebody else. Post office is closed today because today is Columbus Day. Oh. Sorry. I'm sorry. Columbus Day! Radin, Columbus again. I just got home. And look who just woke up. Say hi. What is not your fault? That you just woke up? You know, I even went to the store. Why? To buy stuff. And you were still sleeping. Right there. I just bought Ziploc. See? That's why. At this point, I'm just so exhausted. So me and January are eating some French fries. fish fries. For my burger. Jenna, you want sandwich? What? What? I like the hot dog. Where is the hot dog? I like the bun. Where? What does it say over the ground? What does it say over the ground? Hot dog. No, on the ground. These fries are the bomb. Because of the fries. What? You okay? Okay, well, bye. Bye. See you guys. Peace.
Proprio ragazzo sole ricchi kunak. Ja poi evenne ja to sole heti jaskiet. Voisi se se poi ja gavara. Keketse. Kiri ja vaan kereli sidikkietme. Iorir. Iodi. Ikke. Se pari fomman. Men fögukun. Feppasiratsen ei atun. Mun ratsakseris niveliä fög. Redari me fögukun. Jätsen pojen ammat keusakun. Föngin ja rammat. Ja juotsakin juit. Juuri det berättelsen. The fun part about this is that it reminds me of back home. Me karetseva tovetsuku. Ikke usuraga jetsuki teiterren. Puve ierat raisikavet. Okei. Me uiset teppinge föngin. Uisakkuun. Giditsak. Mekajor mekkarikis fomma. I porosere pek nyammet sirei. Ei puri jori reu. Ei puri kari jorau. Fepparats pusa agang nesussur workout. And now we are leaving. Ei puri kanna. Saasu gemme siburorim. Sibu akkupstapai. Sibu kavervat drink ready kästeisapu. Esse zeurere kakao ready juetsep menesussur. I gotta get my juice. Now we are heading back home. Ositsaku ötsuriesi kuk saave kukwasitov propane ngebewe katsuk iwe sikwaga me oso wuts no oso wuts puepo rats me cook.
Because today I'm going to do some Igezon work. Igezon for life. Igezon forever. Igezon, what are you doing to my fingers? Yeah, Igezon. Yeah, you, Igezon. Yeah, you.
Kerra vassira rapore karikkigeiti ei backflip. Kiti puupon. Si puede su coro no. Yes, it's a Tinomoto. Tinomoto. Let's go. O tarara ifan. O potumira futuku. Aurira kamet. Ai tengira situra that's like son. Marurura wirire semmo wirire bot. Yevisire te wakasesega kansagi. Wakamea kansagi kukupeku pare iasei. Meagagen kava kon foku pekus eneti pekus. Me oata mitiris sokava reraroeto merigaves. Jorere wei reston förriagaga me jorkarare pokukei tsakumere so sorusit. Urapora rapofaku. Kirietik erevike kon. Murin rayorato. Yorato ren. Nerierian epore ngigian. Ngigi esokusaete korosirin. Sagigiri murin safe pati peri osakupakueti rasakuku sabe usi iwe ayosukire oache que toca brosito oache agetiwe yo averi. Yeah, it's very hard working. Was en agepekus. Jeve saa geriare pues fish at si pues ferry den are po pararisi ato supang ika mennavot patsieri esokuraga jever me fokunavot pateravot paerisi iwe que fenna paron aerisi tommak arravas purrave ngosoro seriar fion ragosoro seriar mosetin muetzen mugotsuk ngang on my side ngopopa förretsuk agagan are poriverivats are popa ipung förrun. You on your side na tsokkabe en kebuka pame neti birds ngeri op kebukutorom ngeke saparesita pop kaparira iwe ngeri kep keoza ferri iwe wa pametek uya me fokuragan we res me ferri esa pueots me tots me meteres usun kuku rice. Ngive paoires. Ngasura kere upe. Me always keviaro pues kabe bebet. Ika rerebi angawa ap ngazak para to rake. Webaga payor we fegen me firat. Ngage what's a furry me ere what's a kabe. Ika ere what's on kutorom. Okay. Separesa goriatsagang me Furiat's cake. I will be back in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.